Hello, so today I'm going to be unboxing what I got. And I bought all this stuff after trying this product. It is their deep conditioner. I had recently gotten like a silk press and it destroyed my curls and I thought I was done for, but I ordered this. I got it at Target, I think, and it saved my curls. So I had to get the whole line. So I'm going to go through all these products. Like I said, I've only tried this deep conditioner and I loved it. I love the smell. It really brought back my curls. And then I will be going to wash my hair using all these products, and then I'll come back and tell you all about it. I also actually have used this in the past. It's their Hawaiian Ginger Styling Gel, and this is super light. It's not gonna like weigh your curls down at all, but I think it's like water-based and just moisturizing. And I remember, I think I used it like a year ago and it really left my curls feeling really soft and light. So I'm gonna try that. I also got the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel because I need to strengthen my edges because I'm kind of like losing them. And then I accidentally got 2 styling creams, but I used probably half the bottle at one time. I don't know, I'm assuming. So I'll use all of that. And then I got the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil because I need to strengthen my hair. And then I got the Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. And I never use a leave-in conditioner because the ones I've used in the past have been like super watery and light and just like I don't feel like did anything for my hair. But they say that that's good for it. So the more moisture I can use, the better. I'm very excited. I think the box is so cute. And I can't wait to smell like rosemary mint and try it all out for you. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I realized once I got in the shower that like I didn't get a regular conditioner and nor did I get a shampoo, but I did get the T-Gen like strengthening repair shampoo, and I used that for the first time. And I don't think it's very like stripping, which I like a stripping shampoo most of the time, but I'm trying something new, so I think that was good. And so I'm gonna talk about it while I use these products. I'm going to go in with the Rosemary Mint Styling Cream next. I have the leave-in conditioner in, and I used quite a bit because I forgot what I was doing. It wasn't like the main character, but I'm now going to go in with this. And I really liked the leave-in conditioner because it was like thick. The last leave-in conditioner I had was really thin and watery, and I'm like, this is not doing anything to this thick hair of mine. So yeah, I used that shampoo for the first time. I liked it. It bubbled up, did what it had to do, and I'll probably use that. I like to wash my hair. Uh-oh. Okay. I like to wash my hair twice a week, and I know people say you don't need to, but just the way my hair is and how much I work out, not that I do that, but when I'm going to try to, because I found when I wash my hair twice a week, once with the stripping shampoo and once with a non-stripping shampoo, that my hair just feels a lot healthier. Because I have like a really sensitive scalp, and so I get buildup really easily, but then the bottom, like my strands of hair are so thick that, oh, this is not gonna work. This is how slow it comes out. I know you guys may think I'm adding a lot, but look at my hair. And this is my mirror, so sorry if I'm looking at myself. But yeah, so I used the shampoo, and then I actually used this Pantene. Does anyone else strip hair like this? Conditioner. I think it's like the gold collection. I don't know, but it makes my hair feel so good. and smells really good. And I was almost out of it, so I didn't get to use a lot. So I don't know if I might get the Tejan strengthening and repair conditioner just so I have both of them. Or yeah, I'll do that. And then I might also get the Pantene just for funsies because I like it so much. Okay, now I'm going in with the gel. We're gonna start with this, but I'll probably use more. Oh, that's actually a lot. So yeah, I really liked the leave-in conditioner. It was thick, it smelled good. And I think the more product I have of different kinds in my hair, hopefully the better it is. I don't really know what I'm doing. But this is the journey and I'm taking you guys on it. And as you can see, like, it's still kind of dead up here, but it's because I braid this back all the time. And I need to stop doing that because it's probably not good for it. I feel like I'm gonna comb out my curls a little bit. Jeez. I'm hoping this will be an incentive to me to like really stay consistent with my hair. Okay, I guess the towel's just coming off. Because I need to, I owe it to myself and to my hair to treat it with respect and care for it. So that is what I'm trying to do. But patience is not my middle name, so. Okay. See, this part is still so straight. These are my curls up close. You see how it's already like drying? I just don't know.
So now we'll go in and I'll seal it with my oil. I don't know. Oh, well, it says a small amount to the scalp, so we'll see if it gets too greasy. But I put a lot in the front because when I braid my hair, I'm like balding, so that needs to come back. Then I put some in the back too.
See, it doesn't look like great or anything, but it will over time. It's an investment. Okay, so now I'm going to go and do it to the other side using the same steps, and then I'll be back. And my friend and I are going to Tao tonight for dinner, and so I'm gonna get dressed too, and maybe I'll come back for the final look. Okay, so I came back because I realized I didn't use the edge gel. Oh, it's so cold and wet. So I'm gonna do that, and I know I just said like I need to stop braiding the front because I'm losing all my edges. But like I said, I'm going out to dinner, and I think it looks cute, so I'm going to, and then we can try out. Oh, it's so hard with these freaking nails. And you'll get to know me, like I really just don't care that much to be a perfectionist or anything, because there are more important things in life than how my hair looks, but I also know that I need to take care of it. So I'm trying to take care of it. See, like again, like, am I gonna work on parting this the right way? No, I'm not, because it's not that deep. Jeez, I might have put a little too much product in, but hopefully that means it'll last the rest of the week. Oh, not the rest of the week, it's Sunday. Who am I kidding? Yeah, the rest of the week. So, oh, it's thick, which is good because my hair is thick. Okay, I'm back and I think I need to fix this edge a little bit, but this is what we're working with. I loved all the products. I like the gel's a little thicker than I thought it was, which is nice because I need that hold, but I think it'll like loosen up throughout the day. This is when it's wet. It probably won't look this long till it's wet again, but there it is. As you can see, it's like frizzy still, but it didn't do anything like drastic, but you can see some curls in there. Yay! Okay, I think I'm gonna come back and show you guys like my outfit, my finished look for the night, just because that's fun. And my friend Dylan is doing my makeup, although I really like my skin tonight, so she might be doing my makeup and then I'll show you my look. Thanks for joining me today. Like I said, these have worked. This is like my holy grail, so go pick this up. I didn't use it today because I didn't need to deep condition, but this is my favorite, and I really liked these other products too. So if you are in need of new products, I highly recommend. They smell so good, and that's what I wanted to do too, like find one line that I could get the same scent in, because I'm used to having like 6 different scents going on and I hate it, and I'm sure everyone around me hates it too because it's confusing. So yeah, one scent. I smell like rosemary mint and I love it. All right, see you later. Hey guys, so I'm back from Tao. This is my makeup. My roommate Dylan did it, and I have the orange on because I'm wearing, oh jeez, orange heels. Ew, excuse the back. And yeah, this is how my hair has held up so far. Hopefully it'll keep growing. In a few days it'll be a lot fuller. Dinner was good. The vibe was right, but it's kind of sad too. We were just 2 single ladies like eating by ourselves, so oh well. One more thing, let me know if you want to see more videos like this, kind of take you through my wash routine. If I actually get dressed, maybe I'll show you. And if you want to see Dylan do my makeup, because she's really good at it, let me know. Okay, wow, thanks guys, this was fun. Bye.